It's finally happening. Bitcoin is having right now a deep pullback, guys, and we're gonna have a look into that and also, of course, into Pepeto, which currently is breaking again milestones. So we're gonna have a look into that, guys, and of course have a quick Bitcoin TA as well. Welcome everyone on board. We have huge news, of course. We have right now this crypto pullback, and I'm taking it as a great buy and long opportunity, of course, right now, guys. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our crypto community is growing every day. Make sure to be subscribed here. Leave a like. That's very much appreciated. And of course, share this video with all your friends, because the more we get here on board, so as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, the more giveaways we're going to do, because $100 are waiting for you in the next $100 giveaway as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers, guys. And of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing you everything that I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space. Whatever I'm trading, I'm sharing everything with you, of course. And also, if you want to get on board into new low market cap coins, you can find them here in the video description. Those are the ones that I'm watching out right now, like Pepeto, of course. And also, if you need exchanges where to trade cryptos, those are the exchanges that I'm also using, like Bybit, Fimex, Mexiglobal, and so on. Sign up with my links to get extra deposit bonuses, guys. And now we're going to dive into the daily time frame for Bitcoin, because we are now finally coming down to this major support at 114K. Bitcoin was not able to break immediately through the resistance at around $121,000 that we had here. And right now we are in this consolidation right above support. We also closed the CME gap at 114K, guys. So this CME gap is closed now. And now in theory, we should be gearing up for a massive move to the upside, in my opinion, after this pullback that is happening right now. And historically, liquidity is shifting from Bitcoin to altcoins. Dog coins like Shiba and Dogecoin have made already many early investors gain a lot of profits. And of course, if we zoom out here on the Bitcoin chart, you can see how parabolic Bitcoin went. And of course, it is no financial advice, no guarantees that also in the future it will be like that. But that's why I'm not, of course, only keep accumulating Bitcoin, but also some of the altcoins and also new low market cap coins that are upcoming, because you never know which one will be the greatest 100x coin to buy next. No one knows that. And that's why the more you're diversified, the better chances that you catch the good ones. And the key was always, guys, to successfully identify the right meme coin in a very early stage phase, and especially for the next bull run, to have basically a portfolio ready for that. And in this bull run, in specific this 2025 bull run, we need coins with value, community, and also a story behind it, because those are key to spot like the next potential 100x coin to buy right now, especially when it comes to meme coins. And right now, you know that Pepe themed meme coins, also this is the chart of Pepe, guys. You can see how it was performing. Insane gains have been made here. Because Pepe, in my opinion, in this bull run is, of course, the best frog themed meme coin that came out. And you see the market cap of 4.4 billions and the total supply of 420 trillions makes this coin, of course, worth a lot right now at this price here, especially comparing to the launch price, when it was not out on exchanges yet. And remember, guys, that here we have 4.4 billions market cap. So maybe it can go to 20 billions and do a 3x or a 5x. It is possible. But therefore, I don't only want new meme coins that came out this bull run with already a very high market cap. I'm also looking out for coins with low market cap, which are not out yet, like Pepeto, of course, and where also the hype is big and the story is big behind it. And we have many of those Pepe-themed meme coins coming out. We also have even Elon Musk putting his profile picture on X into a frog-themed meme coin. We have seen also that a lot of profits have been made with many meme coins, like Pepe, same as Shiba, Dogecoin, and so on. And now historical profits, in my opinion, are hidden in pre-market coins that are not out on exchanges yet, to buy at cheap prices like this one, stake it to accumulate more and more coins with low market cap, and of course with a big community and a rising community like this one over here, that has, of course, great upside potential. Nothing is guaranteed, as always. We even have a little Pepe, a new meme coin called Little Pepe, that is also just a meme coin. It should help like Ethereum and so on. But here on Pepeto, we're going to have a completely new decentralized exchange where we don't even need to pay any fees if you're owning the coin. So you need the coins in order to interact with the website. And also here, people will be able to launch their own meme coins on top of this one. And Pepeto Swap, you can see already a preview here over on their X account, of course. And you can see that also they are very, very active. They're posting here almost on a daily base new content, which is of course great to see a team that is very active. And also based on this post, you can see that they're doing a lot of updates on their website as well. And I like also the story about Pepeto that you can get also here on their website, of course, through the white paper, or also you can watch the YouTube shorts or Instagram. They're posting a lot also about the story itself, because Pepeto is not just a meme coin. He stands out for truth, value, and the return of what was stolen before. Because the story says that Pepe grabbed the 4 letters Pepe and run with the fame, but Pepeto held the T and the O. So the final pieces needed to complete the name, basically. And the rumors suggest that the ex-founder of Pepe is behind the project Pepeto after being betrayed by his ex-co-founder. And the explanation of this is basically that one of Pepe's original founder was cut out just before the launch of Pepe and basically got betrayed and silenced. And the thing is that he didn't disappear. He kind of waited and holding into the letters T and O that you can also read here exactly what letter means what. And now basically he's back, and Pepeto's launch is being called the day of the redemption, basically also here on the story. And given the same market supply of Pepe and Pepeto, 420 trillions, with the current Pepeto price that you can see up here, which is of course much cheaper than the original Pepe, and the same supply of 420 trillions, if you would, for example, put a $10,000 investment into this one here, it could do 100x. You could turn basically 10k into 1 million. It is still possible nowadays. Of course, it is risky, and maybe we cannot reach it immediately. But just if you do the math, if you calculate it, then you would get to these numbers. And this is the magic basically about those new meme coins and new projects that are coming out with the low market cap, and of course also with the limited supply and the cheap price. That's why I am bullish for Pepeto, and of course we have to wait until we get some news. That's why make sure to be subscribed also on their X account as well. And Pepeto comes also packed with real features. So a story stirring up the crypto world and a vision that's already catching eyes. So if the expected tier 1 exchange listing drops at some point, then I think things will start to move fast. Because already now you can see almost every day a lot of funds getting added here. And I think that a lot of people are buying it up because of that. Because the only thing that is really needed is just the exchange launch and basically the announcement that it will come out. And for me, this is the main reason why I believe that people are buying it up, and why I believe that it could eventually reach even 100x here, and not maybe immediately at launch, maybe long term, who knows that, because this is not just a meme coin, it is an actual utility coin. And the advantage that this one has from the others is of course this one over here. So we have a full exchange for meme coins only, a bridge tag to connect across blockchains, our zero fee swap platform for smooth trading, and a rising community backing every move as well. And the only way how to get on board here is, of course, connect the wallet here and then buy with Tether or Ethereum to also stake it. If you buy with BNB, no staking possible. Also with the credit card, no staking possible. That's why right now, thanks to the high staking rewards, and since we don't have a launch date yet, I would definitely buy with staking, what I'm doing in right now. And you can see that every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price will increase. You see here the price per token increases here the more time we wait and the more rounds we have. And then at the end, the launch price will be the one here of the final round, and then it will be dropped basically on exchanges. And I think that here we could see a big demand because the token is needed on its Pepeto swap. All right, guys, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video and are prepared for the big launch of Pepeto and of course all the other new coins that are upcoming. I'm very bullish about this altcoin season, guys. Here you can find the complete list including Pepeto here of the new upcoming coins. I'm gonna drop it also here at the top. And of course make sure to be subscribed on this channel because I keep you updated, guys, on the new projects, on new cryptos that are upcoming with low market cap that are hyped right now, that everyone is talking about. And of course also if you want to use the exchanges that I'm also using, for example, also Weeks or BitUnix, where you don't need even KYC to trade cryptos, then of course feel free to use my links to get some extra deposit bonuses. And maybe join my X account, guys. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. Crypto Underground over for now.